We're going outside, Goose. No, Goose. There's so much Goose. Goose. Who's Goose? Goose. 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 Again, Goose. We're gonna go outside, Goose. Goose. We're outside zone, Goose. I mean, hey, Goose. There's something like this day right now. Sadly, Goose. Goose. Closer to 50 right now, Goose. It's 62 degrees. Feels like 62. It's a little chilly. I've been posting a lot of cool nature videos lately. The sun is not perfect. It actually rained on this. Here there's a mockingbird. Oh, good. See right up there. Yeah. Oh, a house. Well, it's so cute because bird watching approved today. Already, because I just came outside. Alright, here, know the mockingbird already. That's cute goose. Sure. This probably came from our bird feeders. I haven't seen them before. He's a pretty rare bird. Yeah, he is a rare bird. That's goose. Goose. He's not even a part of he's not even a part of the backyard bird family. See, like, yeah. Not sure why you see a goose. He's been coming more often ever since we got these two. Yeah. I've only seen him one time eat these though. Maybe two, maybe. Not sure, goose. Look at this goose. Look at that. One of these fell down already. House sparrow. Male goose, see? That's a cute goose. Look at this stick has fell. This stick has fell already. This stick has fell one time. This fell 3 or 2 times. I'm not sure. And that was a decent amount of time. So, yeah, that's actually a lot. I don't know. I said decent. Cute birdie goose. So goose. Fun fact, goose. I might have told you this because have you ever wondered why when you go to the beach you sometimes see house sparrows a lot at the beach? Goose is because they're kind of birds need to start eating that soon because house sparrows are kind of like seagulls and pigeons because they like eating human food too. They're like really common birds. Almost around every single area. Because every single day when we go to the beach, we're going packing up because I always go outside and say bye to Pennsylvania nature. Because what that goes, I mean, I won't be able to see all of it soon. Starting to see like other birds that I've never seen before. There's a goose. There's a puppy goose. The black lab. There's sparrow goose. Yeah. So, excuse me a little bit. You see me. Goose, you see that? There's eggs. You saw that? Because I've actually, last time I looked out, I remember, I thought they didn't even flap down the sticks inside yet. So there goes. She has eggs. Oh no, she has eggs. And he goes. It's a sick goose. Too. Because again, it's a house finch. House finch goose. Too. It has eggs. Because I'm not going to bother them too much. Because I heard that if you get too close to the eggs or babies, the male bird and the female bird will just leave and because they give up. Who's I'm not gonna do that. No. It's because the bird's job is the female bird's job is to lay on the nest goose to give the eggs a couple of warms so they can hatch goose. Bird on it's a European starling. No mockingbird isn't there anymore, sadly. I guess the eggs just got there. It was because yesterday they weren't there. They weren't there yet. I tried looking at the same times today. They're not there, guys. They're not there. I guess they're new. Maybe he looked through last night. Maybe she looked through last night. I don't know why I keep calling it a he, goose. It's not. The pronouns is she. Goose. Anyways, goose. Yeah, it must have happened like last night or just first thing in the morning. Sometime that wasn't considered yesterday. Remember, I told you yesterday, it looked goose. Yeah, maybe it was sometime yesterday, and I didn't look goose. I'm honestly not sure when it happened, because whenever it happened, I would really love to, see it happen, even though there wasn't really a why. It was a set of camera and this. Shit, I'm gonna leave the area because I think I'm kind of like forcing the house fences to like be somewhere else right now because I'm like near their nest. I don't want to scare the birds. They're so fun. Look at that. Look at that male house sparrow. There's like some flowers. I'll find a way. Yes! I forgot that bird. Morning dove. You saw that? It's the catbird. Black-headed catbird. I forgot what it's called. Ever since winter, I forget what it's called. Trust me, I was still doing bird watching. I just haven't been seeing all the rare birds. That bird was actually considered a morning. Look at it. Morning dove goose. Look at it. It was because that catbird was considered summer bird, which comes out in the spring. Goose. I haven't seen him at all in the winter. I completely forget goose. Black-headed catbird. Gray black cap. I forget this. I'm gonna have to Google. I'm just gonna say like catbird and see what it comes up with because I know it's a catbird. They make their normal cute little song goose and then their mate call is like a little sound that sounds like a kitty goose. Pretty cute, huh, goose? But yeah, I'm really happy that those guys are starting to finally come out, goose. They were very, very special birds to me. Because it's cool how like it sounds like they're trying to mimic a cat even though they're not goose. And because they probably know what a cat sounds like if they like see stray cats dog. Giant red ducky. Because yeah, maybe he knows what a cat sounds like and he thinks, oh, that kind of sounds like one. Maybe the house fences in the reef now. The views, I'm not gonna go near. But I'm probably gonna go in. Yeah, but I think he's in there, dude. I think he's just sitting so he can protect his eggs. Because again, I'm not gonna go in the back door. So I don't wanna steer it off him. Some dove. Probably the morning dove though, because Eurasian collared doves are really rare in Pennsylvania. Because I would figure it would probably still be a morning dove, even though both of those kind of doves live in Pennsylvania. Because